The fascinating thing from a political side was that I think the Edmonton School Board got a little bit in the bad graces of the government because they did something different than everybody else. And that it kind of indicated, and I think this has been the kind of counterpoint that there could have been more that was done. And so if everybody was doing the same level of minimum, that you could say, well, we couldn't have done anything more.
Yeah, so
we couldn't, but whereas this was an indication that there were some other things that we could have tried. And I think people do not realize that Edmonton's school board, and I mean, I can't confirm that this was like because of the air filters, but they've consistently had a 0.5% to full percent lower absence rate for students than Calgary has since they put the air filters in. And I think that's significant when you're talking about, 3.5% of students are away versus 4.5% of students are away for the whole year.